Hello everybody and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to fulfill orders on Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So as you can see, currently we are on Shopify admin panel and I just received an order. And by the way, if you want to place a dummy order, you can head over to your online store and simply make your checkout process and your order will be added onto your orders list. So let's just see what we got in here. Okay, so you can see we have a total of $46.89 worth of order. We have all the information about the customer, we have channel, and most importantly, what is going to be happening is we have the cash on delivery option selected by the customer, which is of course me as a dummy order. So to simply fill it, what you need to do is simply click on it, and you can see we have this mark as fulfilled. So once you click on that, it will be apparently fulfilled. So yeah, it is quite simple. Make sure to give a try to that. Click on mark as fulfilled, and once it is done, you will be able to get everything notified about your order. If you head over to your unfulfilled section, here will be all the orders which are fulfilled and everything. And yeah, so that is it on how to fulfill orders on Shopify, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.